Hey everybody, I am experimenting with these new input shaping drivers from GH Enterprises, and here's my results. I have their calibration test on top with input shaping disabled, and I've experimented a little bit with it enabled, and it does make a difference. I mean, this is on a CR10 that I've converted over to an SKR2, and it's on a pretty unstable table, a lac table from IKEA, and it really rocks an amazing amount as it prints. However, as I said, the results up top are with no input shaping, and the ones on the bottom are with input shaping. I admit I still have more fine tuning. This is just my first test. But there is a difference. This is, I think, Mica 3D filament is what they may call themselves. I forget, to be honest with you. It's copper filament. Sorry, this camera is not very, not good quality. But there is a clear difference.